the Masvingo High Court has issued an urgent interim order preventing Chief Murinye, whose real name is Ephias Munodawafa, from interfering with activities at Riverton Academy Extension, ruling that his conduct constituted unlawful self-will. Sabna Mashkubra Pangwana Chin's High Court bars Chief Murinye from disrupting learning at Riverton Academy Extension. That was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipira Pramubda Yukopchinzi. Justice Josephine Zisengwe interdicted the traditional leader from obstructing access to the private school following an incident on January 11 when he allegedly parked his vehicle to block parents from dropping off pupils and made threats to release snakes onto the school grounds. Munodawafa told the court that the school had been established on communal land without the necessary authority and approvals, arguing that his actions were sanctioned under the Traditional Leaders Act. However, the court held that traditional leaders are subject to law and are required to pursue disputes through proper legal channels rather than taking unilateral actions. In a ruling, Justice Zisengwe said the school proprietor, Philemon Mutangiri, had demonstrated a prima facie right to continue operating while outstanding compliance matters are addressed, adding that interrupting lessons would result in irreparable harm to learners. The court ordered that, pending final resolutions of the matter, Chief Murinye and anyone acting on his behalf must cease blocking access, roads, or in any way disrupting learning at Riverton Academic Extension. Thomas Konabda Pangwaino, Chief Murinye wa CHAMISA, also disrupt learning processes. In the comment section, videos of any more to deep on each. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.